In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate on YouTube. By the end, you will be able to watch videos in another language with translated subtitles on your computer. First, open YouTube on your desktop browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another modern browser. Once YouTube loads, you should see the familiar homepage with recommended videos, a search bar at the top, and the left sidebar with sections like Home and Subscriptions. If YouTube is not signed in, that is fine. This feature works even without an account. Next, play the video you want to translate. You can click a video from the homepage or search for one using the bar at the top. Once you start it, the video player appears in the center, with the title and channel information below. Let the video begin playing for a moment so that the controls at the bottom are visible. If they fade out, just move your mouse over the video and they will appear again. Now click the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the video player. It looks like a small gear. When you click it, a small settings menu opens above the button. In that menu, you should see options such as playback speed, quality, and subtitles or closed captions. If you do not see the gear at all, try switching the video out of full screen and check again. From there, click subtitles and closed captions in that settings menu. A new list will appear, showing the languages that are already available for that video. Sometimes you might only see an option called English or maybe the word auto next to a language. If the video has no captions at all, this list might say that subtitles are not available and translation will not work on that video. Turn on subtitles by choosing a language from that list. For many videos, that will be the original language of the creator, like English or Spanish. Once you click it, you should see text appear along the bottom of the video, following what the speaker says. If you still do not see any text, move your mouse to confirm the choice shows a check mark next to it. With subtitles now on, click Subtitles and Closed Captions again. Then click Auto Translate from that same list. This option tells YouTube to pass those captions through the Google Translate system. After you select it, the list will change to show a long list of languages that Google Translate supports, arranged in alphabetical order. Choose your language from that Auto Translate list. Scroll until you find your preferred language, then click it once. After you select it, the subtitle text on the video updates and you will now see translated captions in your chosen language at the bottom of the screen. You can change to another language at any time by repeating this step. You have just used YouTube subtitles with Google Translate to watch a video in your own language, so if this helped you follow foreign videos more easily, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple guides like this.